What's up, YouTube? I got an unboxing for you today. We're going to unbox the Galaxy A11. This is an AT&T variant, as you can see. So, pretty basic box, but a branded box of the carrier. Usually, something like this phone, I would assume that you would get a Samsung branded box, but no, you get the AT&T branded box. So let's open it up and see what we get inside, shall we? All right, here we go. Move that to the side. And we have here the phone right on top. All right. Nice size phone. All right. Got the SIM card. All right. What else we got up in here? Okay. Easy guide, quick starter guide, terms and conditions, SIM tool, a charging cable, and the brick. This actually it's set up like a straight prepaid phone. I do know they have this on a prepaid part of the AT&T family, but this is a postpaid phone. So, but it's set up like a prepaid. So that's probably why I got the branded box AT&T. But okay, let's move this all to the side or up there somewhere. All right, let's attempt to take this off. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. Look almost as if it still got plastic on here, but I guess it's just the design of the phone itself. All right, don't need this. All right, so what we got here? Got what is that? 3 cameras on the back, flash, fingerprint sensor, or unlocking the phone. AT&T branding, Samsung branding. I guess there's the volume rockers and the power button. SIM tray. Charging port, USB Type-C, a mic, speaker. I guess this might be a speaking grill on top. Hopefully it's a double speaker setup. Headphone jack, cool. And another mic. That was easy. So I'm not gonna prolong this video too long. I guess that'd be about it. I actually got this phone for my pops, so I'm gonna set it up for a older person. Well, I got a lot of fingerprints on it. That look horrific. Ouch. I might have to try to wipe this down before I give it to him. But I'm gonna try to cut this on, set it up. Put it on some type of easy mode if I can, and download some stuff for him and make it easy for him to start using this phone. So this is gonna be his new daily driver. It's a nice size phone, so it should be easy for him to see the screen versus the phone he has now, which is a small phone, probably about that size. So it's kind of hard for an older individual to look at. But this would be a lot easier for him. All right, so there you go. The A11 by Samsung, AT&T variant of this phone. So, all right then. Rate, comment, subscribe as always. I'll holler at you later. Peace.